Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a quick review for my new lens from Urban Layer. It's Siri Green or Siri Green, and now it's daytime, so you are seeing me in a natural light. So of course I'm gonna do another video after like a couple of weeks to make a full review about this one and the other one, which is ash blue. I remember I made another review for it showing you how it looks on my eyes. I'm gonna link it in the card description box down below if you are interested. And this is the Siri Green. It's so beautiful, it's so natural. It's still like having a really big iris, which is really lovely because for my small eyes makes it like pop a little bit and makes it a little bit bigger without any makeup. So I don't need to do any tricks or have mascara or anything to make my eye a little bit bigger. And still it has a really small opening for the vision. The pupil opening or the vision opening is so small comparing to other other lenses that I use, like Hypnose, have a really wide, very beautiful kind of a vision opening. So it's a little bit like having this shadow in front of me when I'm looking even in the daylight still, but not like the ash blue. Maybe because the ash blue is like a very light kind of lens, so it makes like a white kind of shadow in front of me, so it makes me feel like a little bit weird. But this one, because it's kind of a darker one, and as you can see it's a little bit like hazel color around my pupil, so it's kind of not so annoying like the other one, but it's still, I still feel or see a shadow in front of me. So I guess this will be a very nice one for daytime, because in a very bright lights your vision opening would be just very small, so it can control the amount of light that entering your eyes. So yeah, that would be perfect, and it's really beautiful. And I decided to open this one for two reasons. First, the green one called Aphrodite or Aphrodite, I can't remember the name, from Hypnose is not available now, so I don't have a green one. I really wanted to have a green lens. And second thing is, it's just like Emilia Clarke eyes. I was watching Game of Thrones and all of a sudden just like, wait, this lens is just like Emilia Clarke's eyes, and I really love Emilia Clarke. I love her eyes, like the shadows, the colors is so amazing. She has a very beautiful eyes, very beautiful colors of her eyes, so I decided to open it, so I have Emilia Clarke eyes. So yeah, as you can see, it's so beautiful, and I can't feel I'm wearing anything. Actually, so light on my eyes. I used it for a couple of times, and I can say it's very light on your eyes, especially if you have a sensitive eyes. So overall, still in love, except for the shadow that I see. But I guess you get used to it, after multiple uses, you get used to this shadow if you don't want to see a very clear vision and you just want to see enough. So it's very perfect for you. So yeah, that's it, and I really hope you like this quick review, and wait for the another review I'm gonna show you on my big camera with my new lens and everything. So stay tuned for this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in next video. I love you. Bye.